So I think after we teach him the basics of sex, we just point him to these books. Piper McDonald told me that's what she did.
Right.
I think there's some diagrams in the books.
Okay, so we can teach him like missionary, cowgirl, reverse cowgirl, doggy style,
Percy,
sideways.
he's 10.
Right.
I think we just show him these diagrams. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so then what's next?
I think that's all he needs to know for now.
Well, okay, but when are we gonna tell him about when we boned?
No. No, we don't need to go there.
What? Why not?
He can figure that out on his own. That would just be unnecessary and weird.
Okay, well, can I tell him about when I've had sex with other people?
Percy, Jesus, we're not going to talk about our personal sex lives with our son.
So is my son supposed to live his whole life thinking his father's a fucking virgin?
You're being really immature about this.
He should be proud of his father. How is he going to be proud if he thinks I'm a fucking virgin?
Percy, cut it out. I think Piper just dropped him off. Stick to what we agreed, please.
Right.
Little Billy Timmy!
Little Billy Timmy!
So good to see you. How was practice?
Well, I hit Marvin in the leg with my pitch, but he said it didn't hurt, so it was all okay.
That's a bummer. We have some cookies for you.
Oh, sweet. Thanks, Mom.
Well, actually, I was the one who baked them.
Okay. Sure you did, Dad.
Well, Little Billy Timmy, we actually have something we want to talk to you about.
Well, okay.
Well, let's just start with this. Do you know what a penis is?
Well, of course I do. I mean, my friends at school, well, they call it a wiener, but I'm like, guys, it's called a penis, not a wiener.
That's right, Little Billy Timmy. Do you know what you do with your penis?
Well, I pee with it.
Right again, Little Billy Timmy. Do you know what else you do with your penis?
No.
Well, Little Billy Timmy, there's this thing called sex. Do you know what that is?
Not really.
Well, there are a few different kinds, and one of the kinds is when a boy inserts his penis into a vagina. But only when the boy and the girl really, really want to, and sometimes they'll create a baby inside the girl.
What?
I know it sounds confusing, but here's some books to help you understand.
No, but how can the baby be inside of the girl? Why?
The answer to those questions are all in the books.
Why can't you just tell me, Mom?
God! Son! Don't you get it? I'm the dad! I'm the dad figure in your life.
Percy, stop.
I'm your dad! Do you know what that means?
Percy.
No, Sharon, he has to know.
Unnecessary.
Your mother and I boned. Okay? We had sex. We dingled each other's dangles. We slurped each other's slurpers. And sometimes we even popped each other's popos. We did all of this, son, and it was beautiful. More beautiful than a sunset on a Scottish loch. And I was there, and I had sex. And it wasn't the first time. And it wasn't the last time either. And by God, one day, I hope I will have sex again.
Are you happy?
No. But almost.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, sweetie?
You should definitely not have sex with that guy.